Hello everyone, welcome to 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗃 Productions. Did you ever have an experience of rearranging the hierarchy of chapters in Adobe InDesign document, only to mess up with chapter numbers later? And you don't want to edit the chapter numbers manually? If you are struggling with this problem, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I had created 11 pages in design document. I will be using first page for table of contents and rest of the 10 pages for 10 chapters. The size of this document is 700 pixels width and 500 pixels height. You are free to give your document any size you want. Keep in mind, I have set the document with pages side by side. This is done by turning on facing pages. During the initial settings of creating InDesign document, you will have this option anyway. However, if you had already created document without facing pages, you can still turn it on by going to File and then Document Setup. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-P. Then turn on facing pages by checking this box. So, why am I using facing pages? The reason is that facing pages allow me to keep pages together side by side. This helps me interpret the layout of both pages without the need of scrolling up and down to count the differences in layout consistency. If you want to learn more about facing pages, I had added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. I am going to use this text from Microsoft Word file for my InDesign document. To do that, go to File, then choose Place. Shortcut key is Ctrl-D. I need to select this MS Word document and hit Open button. Your cursor will appear in this shape. Once you click on this text frame, all of your pages will be filled with data contained in Microsoft Word file. I want to leave the first page empty for table of contents. So I'm going to hit enter all the way till the text is shifted to next page. Let's separate all these chapters, one on each page. So I'm going to fast forward this video till I am done arranging this text. See, all the text had been arranged the way it should be. It's time to create paragraph style for chapter number. To do that, open the Paragraph Styles panel. Go to Window, Styles, and then choose Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. As you can see that I had already created different paragraph styles for this tutorial, except heading style. That's what I'm going to do right now. At the bottom of this panel, I'm going to click on this Create a Style. Let's double click on this paragraph style to edit its properties. I want to give it a name Chapter Number. Let the base tone be No Paragraph Style. Let the next style be Body Text Style. In basic character formats, let the font family be 𝗵𝗁. Font style Bold. Size 48 points. Leading 56 points. I'm not going to touch any other properties, except this property, bullet and numbering. This plays very important role in automating chapter numbers in document. From list type, choose numbers. Format 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In number, you need to write this code, chapter followed by caret and hashtag, and then colon. This will be translated into chapters, and then number next to it. I will show you in a moment. For character style, if you want to give different color or style to chapter number rather than chapter name, then you should consider using this. I want to give this character a chapter character style. If you want to learn more about how to create character styles and how to use them, then I have added a tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. I want to set the mode to continue from previous numbers. Then check this button. Restart numbers at this level after any previous level. I am happy with all these settings, so let's click OK. Note that I hadn't written any chapter text next to the title. As soon as I apply chapter number paragraph style on this title, chapter 1 appears before the title, following the number and colon at the end. You see, the title has also changed its style along with chapter number. This is the beauty of paragraph styles. Paragraph styles can be applied to all the lines except when we hit enter. Next line does not follow the same style. Let me apply body text style to all these paragraphs. You see how amazing this effect is. All you need to do is select the text and click on the paragraph style. Later, if you need to change the fonts or any other properties, then you can open that paragraph style and change those properties. If you want to learn more about heading paragraph style, then I've added a tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. Notice that all these paragraph initial lines contain the 1-inch gap. This is called the first line indent. This visually separates the paragraph from each other, making the text easier to read and follow. This is often used in formal documents such as essays, reports, and academic papers. This is usually done by using indents and spacing function in paragraph styles window. Let's open the body text paragraph style. Go to indents and spacing section and see how I have set the first line indent to 0.5 inches. If you want to learn more about indents and spacing, then I've added a tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. Now, I want to add drop caps to every first paragraph of each chapter. All I'm going to do is select first paragraph and then apply drop cap paragraph style on it. See how first letter of this paragraph is now a large letter. I'm sure you have seen this kind of typography effects in magazines and newsletters. Therefore, you should always consider using drop caps in your InDesign project. If you want to learn more about drop caps, then I've added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. Remember a few minutes ago, in bullets and number section, I told you about character style on chapter numbers. Yes, that's what I'm going to show you now. Let's change the color of chapter 1. Let's say purple. Then all I need to do is open the character styles panel. Go to Window, Styles, and then Character Style. Shortcut key is Shift F11. From this panel, let's open this character style, Chapter Style. If you want to change the color, then go to Colors option. Let's change it to purple. Let's turn on the preview. See, only chapter 1 text is affected. Now, let's change the font style. For that, go to Basic Character Formats. Let's choose Bold Italic. Click OK. See, only the chapter numbers had been affected. However, I want to keep the same purple and bold style. So, I'm going back to Character Styles and then choosing the previous properties. As you can see that all the chapter numbers and their paragraphs are arranged properly. But what if you wanted to swap the chapters with each other? What if you want the chapter 2 to be chapter 5 and chapter 5 to be chapter 2? It's so easy. Let's select all this chapter 5 along with this content. Right click on it and choose Cut. Shortcut key is Ctrl X. See, the chapter 6 had now become chapter 5. Let's go to chapter number 1. Hit enter and then paste the content after chapter 1 and before chapter 2. Shortcut key is Ctrl V. Now see, chapter 2 had become chapter 3. Earlier we copied chapter 5. Now that same chapter 5 is now chapter 2. Now let's copy this chapter 3 and paste it after chapter 4. Perfect. The chapters had been swapped successfully. Every chapter is in right hierarchy. So, whenever you feel like you need to switch the chapters, you don't need to change the chapter numbers manually. Just copy, cut and paste in right sequence. InDesign will take care of the automation. As I told you earlier that I will leave the first page for table of contents. Let's click on this text frame. Go to Layout, then choose Table of Contents. You will get table of contents like this. So, I'm going to select all this table and apply TOC style on it. Then for contents, I will apply TOC heading style. See, all this text got these dotted tabs making it more appealing. If you want to learn how to develop table of contents from scratch, then I've added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and link below in the description. But here's the thing, the chapter number 1 is starting from page number 2 rather than page number 1. You can easily turn the page number for chapter number 1. To do that, open the Pages panel. Shortcut key is F12. Right click on the thumbnail of first chapter. Choose Numbering and Section options. Choose Start Numbering at 1. Click OK. See, the first chapter got separated from Table of Contents section. Now, let's update Table of Contents. Select Table of Contents text frame. Go to Layout and then choose Update Table of Contents. The table of contents will be updated. Let's apply same 𝗍𝗲 paragraph styles on it. See, now the first chapter is starting from page number 1. This is how easy it is. See how this document is looking so fantastic. I hope this tutorial helped you learn automatic chapter numbering in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗲1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, 𝗪𝗲𝗿 Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, 𝗪𝗲𝗿 Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.